What is going on? Can you guys hear me? Are we live? What's up, Silver, Alicia, Block Monster? How you guys doing? VBA is up, really? Well is dying here. Well doesn't look great. Let's see, make sure you guys can hear the volume. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we'll look at VBA a couple of times here. What are we on the Bitmart? Yeah, she pushed through the 786 here, looking good. So she is breaking out. It's nice to see something moving. What's up, Flip Coins, Eldor? Hope everyone benefits from crypto and other investments in 2025. Yeah. 2025 should be a good year. But yeah, it's good to see VVA's pumping. As long as you stay over the 786 at 12, next stop is the high and potentially the 1272 at 27. About 125% move to go if it holds over 12. SEI still holding up because Wells dying. I think Degen is dying still. Yeah, SEI still holding the 382 in the trend. It looks good here. Especially when you see things dying out there. What's ACH doing? ACH, let's see. Still just getting stuck right at the trend. Or right at the 382 there. Yeah, you're down below the double 382, so unless you get back over that 2527, you could drop on this thing, even though it did wick down already. She's trying, but your support will be 23 right now. And then possibly we're all the way down to 2 pennies. What's up, Jason? T13's in the house. Pepe, I think it's all because Elon Musk is riding with them. Yeah, is Pepe pumping? I think I saw it pumping on CoinGecko or something. But yeah, ACH is not bullish at all yet. Below the 382s, downtrends all across, or not downtrends, lower highs across the board here. So there's nothing really bullish on the chart besides the chart itself going sideways. She's going to have a decent run at some point. Pepe. Yeah, Pepe's still holding up. Very good looking chart. It looks like the turbo chart is just going up forever. Little mini pump. Turbo. Yeah, Turbo's still holding its own. Turbo's still holding 8.7, so you're good here. Like I said, the fact that some things are just taking major hits and dying, some of these things are just holding up. More red incoming. Let's see. When will VVA hit $1? He says. Let me just find my crystal ball. Yeah, she's still pumping right now. Nice breakout from the pattern. There ain't no telling when this thing's gonna hit $1. One step at a time. Next stop is up here around 27 cents or so. If it stays over 12. Horizon. Zen. Yeah, Zen's not looking the greatest. Hit the 618, got rejected. Down below the 0.5, large wick. So there's a good chance this thing's coming back down to the 382. We say that, let's see. If you pull it there, you're sitting right on support at 28. Alright, we'll leave this here. So the price right now is hanging on for dear life. It's getting squeezed. 28's your price to hold, 30's your price to beat, and that'll tell you which way it's going. So it's either going to come all the way back down here to the double 382 and drop 30%, or you're going to get over 30 and possibly take another shot at the 618 and move up 57%. Momentum's still up at the moment. And then horizon to a new high would be the 1272, potentially 7 billion market cap from where it is today of 15x. Giga Chad. Yeah, I think we forgot to look at that last night. Same thing, just a chart that's going up. You're above the 1618. It doesn't look bad here. You can clearly see the double bottom, higher low. So this thing may be getting ready to pump. Yeah, and you're sitting right on top of the 236 there. On this red little candle here. You held back here too. So 6.4 is your support, 7.8 your price to beat. But it looks good, the whole chart. You're bullish over that level, and then of course the nice market structure here. Let's see. Chlor AI, what is that? Chlor AI. We got Eldor for 5. I appreciate that, my man. Can Garrett get to $10? Carrot, I mean. I don't remember our target on Carrot. Whoa, Carrot just died. Everyone pile into Carrot. She's on the bottom. Final support. Could be the bottom. Can Carrot hit $10? Oh yeah, that's our target up here. Almost a 2 billion market cap, over $10 here. I think it can. If gaming's going to be something this cycle, this thing's just going to have a giant candle spawn in at some point. Take it right up to 10. But yeah, I think so. Chlor is the next render. There's always the next something. What's up, Muffin Man? Happy New Year, John. Nope. No John. I didn't even set the goal today. Let's look at Chlor, I guess. Chlor AI. Have we looked at this? Oh no. Next render, he says. Let's see. I mean, it's doing like the rest of the market here. It came out, went to the moon, now it's just kind of going sideways. It appears it put it in a bottom. You're confirming it right now over the 236 final support level at 7.4. Higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, and you just hit also the 618 here, so. And holding the higher low and the trend, so this could very well be the bottom for this thing or it's going to die. We're seeing this a lot though. Some of the better projects are holding up. And then this one. Oh, not bad. This one comes to a new high. You're getting a 10x. Really an 11x up to about 84. But the overall chart doesn't look bad. Flip coins for a $5 super sticker. I appreciate that, my man. Wouldn't it be crazy if we get 20 today and I didn't set the goal, so I'll never tell you guys. Yeah, you can try again next year. You purchased it under 40 cents, bullish on Carrot. Not bad. What is it at right now? I didn't even look. Yep, time to buy it again. It's on the bottom. You guys think tomorrow we're going to get a pump, a reversal? A lot of things are on these levels to where they need to reverse right now. Let's see. What is DGen doing? She's still holding our support box. Yeah, it's just sitting here. DGen, disappointing. Yeah, we're just looking for DGen to hold this 8, excuse me, 8.7 down to 8 here. Must hold box or it's done. At least for a while. But the further it goes down, I guess the higher it can go. More multipliers it gives us. Can we expect more red? I have no idea. But yeah, DGen needs to wake up. That box has to hold here. SD, is she still holding up? Oh, SD's moving. We got some front runners. No, we're not even going to do that. So as long as this doesn't turn into a wick, you're potentially breaking out of our little pattern here. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, so it needs to stay over 122 and break over 140. It did for a moment, but it needs to get 140, 148, and then you'll know. But there is resistance here. But it looks like it's breaking out. Let's see. What you guys got planned for New Year's? You guys gonna go see fireworks? Gonna go shoot some guns? What are you guys doing tonight? You guys staying up till midnight and bring in the new year? Yeah, SD here, if it makes a higher high and hits about 40 bucks. 2 billion market cap is a 29.5, 30x. He says, how about Ami Kami? What is that? It's Fox dying. What? Ami Kami. I don't know what that is. Must be a deck screener coin, huh? Fox, is it dying? I don't know. Yeah, seems to be. Seems to be at the moment. Momentum is way down. She's potentially breaking the trend here. So we'll just get that. We'll just take this off. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it just looks like you're coming down. It's trying to hold higher highs and higher lows, but it's just not bullish right now. Yeah, you just broke the 786. If we go from that little low to the high, or you're trying to break it, could wick and hold 5-7 there. If you pull this all the way down. So, I mean, the momentum's down on Fox right now, so to answer, I would just say, yeah, it's dying at the moment. It looks like you're headed down 15%. Unless you hold that level, because it's trying to hold the structure. Did Head and Shoulders form on BTC on the weekly? Did it? Back up to 93K. Where do you see a Head and Shoulders? Probably got too much on the screen here. Where's my blank BTC chart? Coinbase. Yeah, I don't see a Head and Shoulders unless I'm missing something. 22 people here. How's everyone doing? Hit the like button, please, if you will. No idea how long we're going to stream today. Let's see. Ami Kami. Let's see if I can find that on deck screener real quick while you guys are sitting there staring at the screen. Oh, Ami Kami. Come on. Let's look at, wait, what did I do with it? So this one, let's see what this thing's doing here. Dang, how old is this thing? Not a bad looking chart on this one. This thing's been going up forever. 37 million market cap on this one. Trying to see where I can draw from. Yeah, on the overall macro, you're holding over the 236 going sideways. 17. When did you buy this one? Let's see the overall chart on this one here. Yeah, you're holding right on the 2272 at 3. Bounced off of the 2. Not looking bad. The fact that you're getting stuck here and you're curled up here is not, I mean, that's pretty bullish. So you need to hold 3, break through 4, 5, and then where's this thing going? Top of the fib at some point. It's just kind of climbing up here. It just needs a giant candle to spawn in. Is that a 250x? Not bad. $1.50 is a 40x, and then all the way up here to $9. 240x. But yeah, I don't see what you're talking about, but I guess it's there somewhere. Polyswarm. What is Polyswarm doing? But yeah, Bitcoin. I mean, we're still looking for the 90K to get hit. We're not doing anything. Just kind of sitting here doing nothing. What did we say? Polyswarm. What is Polyswarm doing? Did she hold? Oh, she's holding. Still in the same spot from last night, pretty much. So you're back above the trend. The price to beat is this 4.9 level. Come on. Yeah, and if we do it this way, you're above the 786 at 3.8. As long as it stays back above the trend here, above the 0.5, I would keep it simple. 618 is the price to beat. And if you can get over that, potentially a 100% move to 8. And then if you're going to hold for 2025, possibly 1272 new high at about 46, probably 50 cents. Get you a good from today 1011x. We got Michael for 5. I appreciate that. Thanks, bought 4 months ago. Okay. So you must be making some money on that thing. Still holding. I appreciate the 5, my man. Uh, 18 people. Harlem says we've been waiting too long. Yeah, it feels like we've been in this game forever. Turbo, what's your prediction on XCN in the next 4 weeks? In the next 4 weeks. XCN probably still hanging around down the bottom, around the bottom, I mean. Well, you're still bullish over the 382. Holding on the monthly. There's no telling what's going to happen in the next 4 weeks. We got to see what January is going to bring. First week of January. Going to get a little relief rally, or we're just going to die on everything. But, I mean, XCN could do what it's been doing for the last 4 weeks. Nothing. Just hanging out above the 382. If the market doesn't do anything, then we're just going to do the same thing. Sideways until further notice. Universal codes. What do you think of the Dash chart? Dash? The old dinosaur coin Dash? Let's see. It looks like everything else. Everything tried to pump, and now we're just kind of dying and sitting here. It did break the downtrend, made a higher high, hit the 382, got stuck. But you're not bullish at the moment. You're down below the 236, down below. You're sitting right on the 0.5 here. You hit the 618. I mean, it held. It held. That's what you want to see. The 618 hold. So as long as you're above 37.42 is the price to beat now. Confirm the bottom back in. Where's Dash going? 786 retracement, 3 billion market cap for about a 6x. If it holds up where it is. All right, we're on the right screen. Did I miss anything? What is the expected high for DGen? I don't know. I don't know if I've ever looked up DGen, see what other influencers are saying about it. Our target is the 9 to 10 billion market cap here. Around 50 cents. Get us about a 55x on it. But I would personally probably get out if it came up and hit the new high. My little 17x. Did Myro die? Or is she still holding? Myro. She's still holding. Myro refuses to die here. Yeah, what did we look at last night that was just completely dead? I don't remember what that was. The whole chart was going to zero. AOS. Is AOS dumping? We need to look at PNG and ABT, I guess. No, it's sitting on support. It dumped, but it's sitting on support. Right on the 382 to stay bullish. If it falls lower than that, then you could have a pretty good drop on it if it loses this support level. We have the 6th level here, 6.6, but then 618 comes into play. So this thing could drop if it falls below where it is now. 30% drop there. Is PNG still holding up? Let's see. PNG's the same way. There's so many coins right now right on support. They need to hold. Right back at that 30 level. That's the price we've been going over. It has to hold 30. Is Arc Block still holding up? What was the other one we were looking at? Arc Block and something else were holding the structure. Was it GRT? I don't remember. She's still trying to hold. That's what I'm saying. We can't go any lower than we are. Yep, sitting right on the 618 at 134. I really don't want to lose that because then you're going to end up breaking down and breaking structure, but it's still holding. You're buying Myro, you never know. Oh, we got Nowak back in the house. How you been doing, my man? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to all you guys. Financially free in 2025. Speak it into existence, yes. My coins are dead, used car and Billy. Yeah, until Solana starts really pumping, I think the Solana coins are just gonna continue to do what they do, I guess. Yeah, we'll go over there and look at them in just a moment. But yeah, we looked at Polyswarm already. There's nothing to say about it. It's holding up. It got itself back in a good position here. Weekly candle back up over the trend and holding. The 618 is your price to beat at 49 or 5 pennies. Yeah, Solo, Soul Ordy, did she hold? Oh no. Yeah, see, I wanted to buy Soul Ordy here. A couple of streams ago, we looked at this. It looks like there's a new trend in play. It finally bottomed out. She's pumping. Used car. Do we want to look at it? Is it dead? Yeah. It's not doing anything. It's just sitting here. At some point it's going to go, but it's still done. It's still just doing nothing. Let's see. Is it on the final support level? Nah, it's just below it, but until we turn around on it, I guess these things aren't just doing nothing, but it's crazy. These ones died, and now used car is finally gonna go, or not used car. Oh no, Billy is dying. Jeez. Looks like this thing looks like it's coming back down to the bottom. Well, at least now you get a 30x. Yeah, unless you get back over 2-2, this one's going down. Man, all the way back to the bottom. That's crazy. Honk. Oh yeah, Honk had a community takeover, I guess. Honk has a good chart still. Could have swore we looked at this last night or the day before. Yeah, we're still having time to buy in on these coins. Because when Solana runs, Honk's going to go to the moon. Not doing anything at the moment. Yeah, Honk is potentially a 70x play. Just throw $100 on Honk, and all these other ones that are dying, at some point they'll come back up. We got 17 people. What's up, Slava? Happy New Year to you too, my man. Yeah, how you guys bringing in the new year tonight? You guys gonna stay up? Polyswarm. What did we not look at yet? Oh yeah, I saw Mantra was pumping. Oh, not really. No, Mantra's holding up real well here. I don't know who owns Mantra. I made a Mantra update and no one watched it. Looks like the A8 chart just decided to go vertical and it just went. Oh no. Ancient 8 is dying here. Jeez. That's why you guys always got to take profit, because you never know in crypto. Especially off a huge run like that. It looks like it tried to have a bullish pattern also, but wow. Let's see if she's gonna find support here. As long as you're below 30. If that doesn't turn into a wick, which it doesn't look great at all. If you don't get back above 30, what, another 23% drop down to 22, 22. What's up, Boxy? How you doing? Was it this one? Alio? The one we were looking at last night that just died? Yeah, this thing's dying. Yeah, I don't remember where it was last night, but it's coming down still. Oh, virtuals is bullish, like always. Are you guys virtual coins still going to the moon? What was one of the ones we were looking at? Maneki. What were we? What is GFI doing? Come on. Yeah, GFI is trying to hold on. trying to hold the trend on the back test. Man, I can't wait till we start going back up. This is just out of hand. Yep. Let's see. I guess there's nothing really doing anything. Things are up a little bit, but everything's still kind of just stuck or sitting on support. Let me see. What were some of the virtual coins we were looking at? I'd imagine they're pumping because Chaos, Mary. Ski Nut. Dora, was that one of them? Yeah, Dora. What is this one doing? Dora on the 4 hour. She's not pumping. I figured these coins would be pumping right now. Well, let's see. Have you looked at Fox? Yeah, we just looked at Fox. Anthony for 5. I appreciate that. Can you check out CRV? But yeah, we just looked at. I guess that was right before you got in here. You mean Shapeshift, right? There could be another one. Just doesn't look good. It looks like it's just going to come down. So Fox looks like it's coming down to the 618. Down to 5. 23647. So this thing's probably going to still drop another 8.5–9%. I appreciate the 5. CRV. What is CRV doing? She's still holding up in our pattern. This thing had a strong run up and it's still consolidating in the bull flag. So as of right now, CRV still looks nice. It's all going to depend on if it's going to break down or not. So low to the high, your support to watch is 83. Let me pull this up. You're at 89 at the moment. 83 is your price to hold. Even down to about 73. And you can see we can extend this and we would still hold. But I think it's all going to depend on the market. So you could drop 19% and still be inside the pattern and still be bullish on CRV here. But if it plays out, strong move up, measured move flagpole, it's probably going to take you right up to the 786. If it stays bullish in here and holds up bullish, of course 174, but then if the measured move is going to play out, which it probably won't, you could get stuck 28% and then 95%. Still a decent move up, but it has to hold that level. And then CRV, new high, 24 billion market cap, if that's possible. Not bad at 21x. Up to about $19–20. So yeah, we need a reversal in the market right now, so these bullish patterns can hold up and they can move, and then so some of our other coins don't just completely die like they are. Yeah, I appreciate the 5/10 super chat. I appreciate it, man. What else did we look at? What is this? I don't know what that is. I forgot about Mines of Delarnia. Mines of Delarnia is still down here. Doing the barcode, doing nothing but sideways. You guys like Mines of Delarnia? This thing's holding up, holding the trend, and pretty much the same. Pretty much the same formation. Every time I hear feel a cough coming on, I have to mute it real quick so I don't blow you guys' eardrums out. But Mines of Delarnia could be a good play here. I don't know where you can buy this one. Holding the 0.5, stuck at the 382, but yeah, this one's holding up and hasn't done anything yet. So if it's going to act like the rest and get a little move up, yeah, this one can move up 123, 24, 25% and hit the 382, and then that's it. How sweet. Yeah, I still don't know what to call this one. I've watched different people on YouTube talk about it. Some say Sui, some say Sui. Nah, she's holding up nicely, holding up over the 1414 here. The fact that you're not crashing down like a lot of things is good. So $4 is your support, and about 570 is your resistance. So as long as it holds, you should spike up about 37%. And then this one to a 50 billion market cap's a 4x. I think people are calling for like 100 billion market cap on this thing. What is that? I don't know why we have that on there. Serum, I forgot about Serum. Serum made a new low. Oh, Serum sucks, huh? This thing's been going down forever. None of this is relevant, so we'll just erase the whole chart. Yes, remove. Serum a dead project, I guess. You like mines? Okay. Yeah, I think that's one of the ones that I can't. I clicked on the website before, but I can't. I think it's banned here. I'm not sure if that was it, but it reminds me of it. Coins that are holding up the best during the bleed. Are they going to be the best in the bull run? I mean, it's a strong sign, but it's not necessarily. But Yeah, these like SWE and SEI and Virtues, everyone's bullish on all these coins, so I guess they're just not selling. Yeah, XRP's still holding up. I guess it is. I mean, the strength of the chart and the strength of the coin and the project is what's holding these things up. And the ones that are dying, they just suck. Not everything, but you get the idea. Yeah, XLM here still trying to hold our wedge pattern, but it's just coming down. Yeah, XLM doesn't look bad either. I mean, simple retracement. Oh, wind's dying. Yeah, wind broke since we looked at it last. So Win and Myro, they're just not strong, I guess. What do you guys think? Oh, I just lost the final support. It's over. Was that the first daily close below? Wind's going back down to the bottom, potentially. What are we on? Daily. Yeah, SEI is holding up though. SEI simply came back down to the trend here. Zoom it out so we can see it. I think the bottom is in on SEI. Little green candle spawning in on the 3-day. But the trend is holding. You're on the bullish support here at 3.9. But it just simply bounced and came all the way back down. So should do something like this if it doesn't die. If it doesn't lose the 382, it should come up and potentially get itself over the 786 over the next coming weeks. But SEI is holding up. Shiba. Wow, Homer Simpson's dying. Couldn't hold. Casper. Yeah, but until Solana really runs, those ones we looked at earlier aren't going to do anything. Casper, let's see what Casper's doing. Much of nothing. Wait, we must have two Casper charts because this one's not even complete. I think we did have two. Alright, there we go. There's our Casper chart. And I don't mean to be talking low, but I still have this this toothache and swollen jaw. Doing my best. But yeah, this one, you're sitting right on the 236 on Casper. holding support at 14. So it needs to hold here, or this one's going to end up dying as well. But if we go low, high, yeah, you're just below the 382, but I would say just watch the support. If it falls lower than that, then your last hope would be the 618, so you could drop 27-28% on Casper here if you do not hold this 14 level. Penny and a half. But came all the way down, made the new low, hit the 382, got stuck, and came down. Yeah, I don't know what Casper Labs is. But from where it is now, if it holds 786 retracement in a bull market into 2025, would give you a 7.5x to 11. I don't know why our chart is here anyway. Why are we way down here? I'm going to have to build a new Casper chart. I don't understand why that's down there. But it's respecting it, so I guess that's why it's there. He says I am drunk, I don't care. What was the other one? Colts. Oh, that looks horrible. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing to really say or do or look at because everything's still the same spot pretty much if it's not dying. Bitcoin dominance is going back up. Oh, I didn't do a poll or anything today. Nothing to look at. Let's see. We looked at ABT. What is Cardano doing? Cardano on the monthly chart. Yeah, see, ADA is another one here, sitting right on support. So what? We've been bearish for a month now. After these things had that little pump. Yeah, AOS is still trying to hold. Monkey, please. What is monkey? Sub crypto homes. I don't think we've ever looked at monkey. Monkey. Wise monkey. I imagine that's what you're talking about. Wise monkey. Is this what you're talking about? This thing's doing nothing. Yeah, New Year's. but no one's here. Let me see if the other charts look the same on Monkey. SUKU coin. Yeah, pretty much the same. XC chart looks a little bit better here. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but it's going completely sideways after it came out. Could be a good gamble play, I guess. Really can't even do anything with the chart here. Let's see. Yeah, I can't do anything with this. All the way down to the hour chart, you can't even see anything. If we exclude the scam wick, I'll give you one price to look at. We'll say the bottom is in if you can get back over 4013. Thoughts on PNG? Yeah, we looked at PNG already. PNG is still holding up. It looks good to me. As long as you're above 30. Oh, I was trying to figure out what's going on here. Yeah, PNG's sitting here holding right on the 1414 at 30. Pumped up, back test, and it's holding. So that's your price to hold. If it goes lower than that, then it's not as strong as we thought. It's also your 382 low high. So there is double fibs, double support there at 30. And PNG to $1 billion market cap, $5 for a 16.5, 17x. But if it holds up here through all the bleeding, you know, we could get a decent little run up, 256%, and then hopefully a 6.5x to 2 once it breaks our red box of death there. Yeah, whatever happened to B&B Tiger? What am I looking at? Oh, Jasmine. Yeah, what is Jasmine doing? She's still trying to hold. But it looks like a lot. Every time we draw these bullish triangle patterns on everything, they die. So maybe we should get that off. But she's been holding up here for, what, 3 weeks now? Simple, low, high. Yeah, just sitting above the 0.5, doing nothing at 3. But yeah, Jasmine's doing nothing. Jasmine to 30 cents is a 9x, and then if you think it's going to hit $1, we have the 50 billion market cap, 33x or so. But it's holding the same spot it's been holding for the last couple of weeks. Over 3. Oh, we already hit an hour. Yeah, it's probably not going to be that much longer. There's no one here. It's New Year's. You guys got stuff to do. That monthly BTC candle looks nasty. Are we sure bull run is coming? No one coming to save us, huh? What's Jesus doing? Oh, Jesus just broke down. We looked at Carrot. Nah, what is Caspa doing? Caspa's still trying to hold. Yeah, Caspa's sitting on the final support too. So this has to be the bottom. It has to be. Someone needs to save us. Who's going to save the bull run? Yeah, if you zoom out monthly perspective on Bitcoin here, it looks like a top is being put in. Did Call ever recover? Call was one I was going to buy, but I decided on DGen, but Call died anyway. You guys think Crow and Knife is going to be a good play this cycle? Excuse me. I don't know if any of the big influencers talk about this one. What's up, Jared? Q1 will be better. Alright, yeah. Excuse me. Not me, I'm sober and stay home. Yeah, I don't have any plans. I ain't going nowhere. But I'm not going to stream much longer, probably. There's no one here. You guys got stuff to do. Nowak said he's out the door. Be safe, my man. Go blow something up. Go blow some fireworks. Slava says he don't care. He's partying. What's up, Jat B? Happy New Year to you too, my man. He's spending it trading, making that money. Yeah, I thought about not live streaming today. I didn't even have the energy to do videos and do no updates today, but it was the last day of the month. Last chance to get a little bit more views and money in for my next check in January. But yeah, we pretty much ran through the regulars. Oh, Cocky News dying now. Yeah, looks like this thing's coming down to the final support level as well. If I can find my measurement tool. Another 12% drop to 122 on this one. Alright, I guess we'll leave it at that. Give my mouth a break. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. New year, new day. 2025. As we look at Vara on our way out the door. VAR still holding up? I forgot about VAR. Oh no. This is either it for it or it's going to go make a new low probably for VARA. It didn't hold any of the levels. Now it's down below the 786. So if it doesn't get back over 1.8 here, then it's coming back down to 1.5 and it could go lower. So just be aware of that on VARA. It needs to get back over 2.7 and then 3 here to be bullish, or to have the bottom in at least, to give you any kind of hope. Oh yeah, I forgot about UFO gaming. Looks like no one cares about UFO gaming. It's just going down forever. Alright, well, I'm glad you guys came in here today. You guys have fun. Don't do anything stupid. Happy New Year to all you guys here. All you guys and girls here that come. We'll see what the new year brings. We'll see what tomorrow brings. And we'll be back tomorrow again. He says he's far away. Happy New Year. You too, my man. Have a wonderful New Year. Stay safe. Don't get too drunk. Barely understand what's going on. Alright, with that said, appreciate you guys coming in for a little bit here. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Happy New Year. Appreciate all you guys in here. And we'll see you next year. Peace out.